Hi everyone, this is Tim from Bullseye Digital Marketing. Welcome to the next episode of Business Chat. Today we're going to feature Nebula Dental in Summerside. This is where we go, and it's a fantastic dental office. State-of-the-art equipment. Everything you need. It's even got a machine that makes crowns while you wait. It's super cool, and we'll feature that in the video to come. So stay tuned and check it out. Thanks so much. Here's a little TV, and looks like an Xbox in here as well, or a PlayStation 4. Cool little tooth-shaped chairs for them. This is the reception area. Very nice, very well appointed. Desk, ladies, I'll help you out. Hi everyone, we're at Nebula Dental in Summerside, and this is a crown making machine. This is so that you don't have to come back for your appointment. It takes about 15 minutes to make a crown. This is some cool technology. Wow. It's purple? Yeah. It is a little bit of bacon in the oven. Yeah. Show me that before. There's all the extra tools.
So it should sit just like that. But it's going to turn out.
Once it's in the oven?
Once it's in the oven. So it's going to be like a natural tooth.
And how old is this technology? How long have you been able to do this?
Like 4 years ago. We opened 4 years ago. I'm not exactly sure when it started. But yeah.
It's very cool.
Yeah.
That must make your life a lot easier.
Yes, especially for the patients actually. They get their plans ready and they don't have to come back for their second appointment.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah.
So this is one of the treatment rooms, state of the art. They have really cool multimedia capabilities here. You watch anything you want while you're in the chair. Excellent dental place. Come check out and ask for Dr. Hammer in Summerside, Nebula. Thanks everyone.